Norway is one of the richest countries in the world, where the average salary ranges from 3 lakh to 5 lakh per month. The country offers excellent work-life balance, free healthcare, and top-notch safety, making it a top choice for expats. 2025 new visa rules. The Norwegian government has introduced a fast-track visa system in 2025 for skilled and seasonal workers. You can now apply for a visa immediately after getting a job offer. Language requirements are more flexible. Basic English is enough for many jobs. Visa processing time is now only 3 to 6 weeks, compared to months before. Eligibility 1. Valid passport 2. Job offer from a Norwegian employer 3. Minimum education, diploma or bachelor's degree 4. 1 to 2 years of work experience preferred. Some jobs come with employer-sponsored visas. High demand jobs currently. Norway is hiring the most in nurses and healthcare workers, engineers, and software developer shuttle, and restaurant staff, construction workers, drivers, truck, bus. These sectors offer high salaries and great career growth. How to apply 1. Visit official job portals, NAV.no or Norway.no 2. Use the filter visa sponsorship while searching for jobs 3. Prepare your resume and cover letter in the Norwegian format 4. Once you pass the interview, apply for the visa through the official channels. Bonus tip: connect with Norwegian recruiters directly on LinkedIn, send them your CV, and follow up regularly. This method has helped many people secure jobs faster.